Hello preschoolers and alumni schoolers. I hope you're having a great weekend. This is the day before Easter, and when Snooga got up this morning, she found this and this bag of treats in her bed. And this is a note from the Easter Bunny, and it says, "Dear Snooga, it is going to rain tomorrow, so I hid your treats outside today. See if you can sniff them out. E. Bunny." And this is a video of Snooga sniffing out her new treats. Here's Snooga, and the Easter Bunny came to see Snooga today and hid treats in the yard instead of on Easter because it's supposed to rain tomorrow. Are you ready to go outside and find your treats, Snooga? You ready to go outside? Let's go. Hunt, Snooga, hunt, hunt, hunt. Oh, look, Snooga found a bunny. Snooga found her bunny. Bring it here, Snooga. Bring it here. Let's see what else the Easter Bunny left you. Bring it, Snooga. Bring it. Oh, you found a bunny. Look at that. The Easter Bunny left you a bunny. Look at that bunny. Look at that bunny. Let's see what else the Easter Bunny left you. Did the Easter Bunny leave you some treats? Let's see. Come here, Snooga. Snooga. Oh, looky right there. There's a treat. Snooga, look, look. Oh, Snooga's hunting for her treats. Oh, she found one. She found one. Yes. Snooga found a treat. Hunt some more, Snooga. Hunt some more. Do you find any more treats? She's using her nose. Oh, look, she found another treat. She gobbled it right up. I hope you don't gobble your Easter treats as fast as she's gobbling hers. Look at that. Snooga found another treat. Are there any more, Snooga? How many did the Easter Bunny leave? Hunt, Snooga, hunt. Are there any more? Are there any more? Oh, she's hunting. She found another one. Oh, Snooga's finding those Easter treats. Are there some more, Snooga? Do you see any more? Do you smell any more? There's her bunny. Abandoned for the treats. Oh, she found another one. Are there any more, Snooga? Hunt, hunt, hunt. Hunt, Snooga, hunt. Hunt, hunt. Good girl, Snooga. Are there any more? Oh, I see one more, Snooga. I see one more. Do you see it there, Snooga? Hunt, hunt. Snooga, Snooga, hunt, hunt. Oh, she found it. I think she found it. Look, she's using her nose. She's gobbling her treat up. Okay, Snooga, let's get your bunny and go inside. Oh, she's still hunting. She's not satisfied. Maybe there's more. How many did the Easter Bunny leave? You are such a lucky girl, Snooga. Come on, get your bunny. Get your bunny. Let's go inside. Oh, Snooga's a happy Easter dog. Sit, Snooga. Sit. Oh, you dropped your bunny. Get it, get it, get it. Get your bunny. Snooga, get your bunny. She's hunting for more treats. That Easter Bunny was very generous. Come on, Snooga. Get your bunny. Let's go inside. Here, Snooga, get your bunny. Does it squeak? Does it squeak? Get it. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Sit. Sit. Oh, yes, there she is. A happy Easter dog. Happy Easter, everybody. Bye-bye for now. Well, did you enjoy watching Snooga sniff out her treats? She is still enjoying her bunny, and she's very much after these treats that I have right here. She likes them a lot. Snooga, would you like to show them how much you like your treats? Sit, sit. See, her treats are little people. They're called buddy treats. And here you go, Snooga. Oh, she loves those treats. Okay, Snooga wrote, after she was done hunting her treats, I helped Snooga write a thank you note. It says, "Dear E. Bunny, thank you for the positively flirtulous bunny. I adore the squeakiness. I also gobbled up all of the treats you left for me. Thank you for all of the goodies. Snooga." Maybe if you get some goodies for Easter, you will want to write a thank you note too. I also thought maybe we could sing our bunny songs together. We've been practicing, so get your ears ready, get your hole ready. Here we go. Here's a bunny with ears so funny, and here is his hole in the ground. When he hears a sound, he pricks up his ears and jumps in his hole with a bound. How about our other bunny song? Long skinny ears, a little white tail. I live on the ground and I hop all around. I have big eyes so I can see coyotes and foxes who'd like to eat me. I nibble on green plants that I see. Who am I? Okay, I thought maybe you might like to see a picture of the kind of bunny that we have in Missouri. This is called an eastern cottontail rabbit. And you'll notice and I'm sure you've noticed whenever one of these runs away from you, they have a white tail. That's why it's called a cottontail. I'm going to show you how to make some bunny ears today. All you need to make your bunny ears is a brown paper bag from the grocery store, or even just some strips of paper, some Scotch tape, and a pair of scissors. So the first thing I'm going to do, and you might ask a grown-up to help you with this in case you need to draw lines, but I'm just going to cut along the edge of this paper bag about 2 inches from the edge, a long piece. And I'm going to leave the paper bag all hooked together and cut it all the way to the end. So I'm going to have one long strip. Like this. And I can open it up like, I'll have to cut the corners from the bag. And then I can take the strip and tape it together like so on those corners. You could probably ask your mom or dad to help you with this if you need to, or any other grown-up that's around. I'm going to tape the corners so it stays together like I want it to, like this. And then I'm going to measure my head and make it so it fits just perfectly to my head. There we go. You could even cut some off if it's too big. And I'm going to tape that. And this is going to make a nice sturdy headband for my ears. Okay, make sure it fits. Ah, perfect. Now, we already read about the bunnies having long ears. So what I'm going to do is cut some ears out. This is the rest of my paper bag. I'm going to draw some ears on here. Some long, skinny ears. And I'm going to cut out the ears. There's my long, skinny ears on there. I'm going to cut those out. There they are. Now I'm going to tape those to my bag, to my headband that I made. I could even tuck them inside and tape them. Or if you don't have tape, you could use a stapler, but you need to make sure that you're careful with the stapler. And put this one on this side. And there are my bunny ears. Now, if you want to hop like a real bunny, here's what I want to show you how a real bunny hops. So when a real bunny hops, the first thing he does, because when we hop, we kind of hop around on 2 legs, but they use all 4 of their legs. He puts down his 2 front feet, and they're little, so they make a little dot. And then his back feet are very long and slender. So he brings his back feet around in front on the outside of his front feet and leaves his back feet prints like that. See that? And then while he's doing that, his front feet are way behind him. And then he moves his front feet like so, and he brings his back feet around the side of his body and out in front of him again. That is crazy. Humans find it very hard to do. I can't do it. I want to know, can you hop like a bunny, like a real bunny? The last thing I have to share with you today is what happened in my laundry room yesterday. I found a creature and I took a video of him so you could see what he is. I want to share with you what I found this morning in my laundry room. This is a little immature 5-line skink. I found him underneath the laundry basket all curled up, and I think he went to the laundry room because that's where creatures go in my house when they need a drink of water, because there's a drain in there. Here he is, and I'm getting ready to release him. I wanted to also show you what he looks like in the book that I have. It is Amphibians and Reptiles of Missouri. Skinks are reptiles. And there is a mature 5-line skink, and there is an immature one. Sometimes we call them blue skinks. They are all over the state of Missouri. He's not very big. I kept him in this jar all day because it was so cold today. I was afraid I didn't want to let him go. You can even see a little skink scat down there next to him. I'm going to let him go now and see what he does when I turn the jar on its side. Come on out of there, little skink. He tried to bite me when I picked him up this morning, but he's so small he couldn't do it very easily. Now he's a bit hesitant. There he comes. There he comes. There he goes. He's gone. Goodbye, little skink. I hope you liked the video of the 5-line skink. Here is a picture of one up close. Here he is. This is an immature one, a juvenile, just like the one that you saw in the video that I turned loose. And he's got 5 lines. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's one way over here on the side, and that is the 5th one. And this is an immature one, a baby. Sometimes we call them blue-tailed skinks. They are all over at my house. I wonder if you have any at yours. They especially like to be in rocky places. They like the side of my house. Did you know that if you try to catch one and you catch it by the tail and its tail falls off, it'll grow a new tail? The one that I caught yesterday was trying to bite me, but its mouth was so little it could not do it. And that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and watching Snooga hunt for her Easter treats. I hope you have a fabulous Easter and stay healthy, stay safe, and have a great day tomorrow and the rest of the week. Signing off for now from Cedar Creek. Bye-bye.